In this video we'll be changing a toggle switch board on a Ventra Pro. This is a 24 channel Ventra Pro. It has two different types of toggle switch boards. One board has 16 toggle switches in and out, the other board only has 8, handling the far side here, right next to the yellow sticker. To begin with, all we have to do is take off the toggle switch covers. They might come off by hand. If they are a little sticky, you can use a crescent wrench or a 17mm wrench just to get them loosened up when they come off all the way. See, they've just got the screws inside and it leaves the bare toggle switch behind. Now we've removed all but one of the toggle switch covers, and this toggle switch cover now is the only thing holding the board in place against the enclosure. So before we remove the last toggle switch cover, we're going to come inside and remove this ribbon cable connection and then support the board underneath. So to take the ribbon cable out, you just have to push out on both of the tabs all the way, they push pretty far, and then gently lift up on the ribbon cable. Tuck that off to the side, hold the board with your hand, you'll be ready to take off the last cover. With the last toggle switch cover removed and supporting the board, you can now just let it drop out and remove it, or from the inside what it looks like. That's the board, ribbon cable removed, just lifts straight up and out, and now this piece can be replaced. Installation of a new board is the opposite of the removal. First we're going to take our bare board, our open space, line up the toggle switches with the holes, and fit it back into place, and then holding the board we can get our first toggle switch boot cover started. Once we have one of the toggle switch boots started or on, then we don't need to support the board anymore, and we can begin to put all the rest of them back on to hold that tightly in place. Once all of the toggle switch boot covers are back in place, it can just be finger tight. You can open up the enclosure and attach the ribbon cable. So make sure that the two tabs are out and away. The ribbon cable has a notch on it, which is going to line up with the notch down here so that we don't bend any of the tabs. And then with even pressure you're just going to push down and the tabs will come in. Make sure that they're all the way locked in. And that's it.